Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use templates for Reels on Instagram, so let's get right into it. Now, templates are basically, just as the name suggests, templates which are pre-existing videos or types of videos which you can use to create your own Reels and maybe even do collaborations with other creators. Now, the way that you can do this is, of course, by creating a reel. So let's get right into it. What you want to do is press the plus at the bottom right here and then go over to Reel. Once you're under Reel, as you can see in the top right of my screen, you see templates, and you just want to click on that, and now you'll see a list of all the templates that you could want. Now you have these two, or you have the trending ones, which you can browse very easily, just like so. There is, I'm pretty sure, an option to browse even more, but I am currently not aware of what that option is, since I don't see a browse button or a search button anywhere near. But pretty much this is how you browse for templates. Now you can also go to your saved. If you've saved any templates, you can very easily find them here, or if you haven't, just click browse templates and browse through them just to find the template that you want. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.